Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we're talking about something that feels exciting, but also a little scary.
Yes, making new friends in a new city.
That feeling when everything is new. The streets, the people, even the silence.
And sometimes you feel alone.
Even in a crowded place.
But don't worry. Today, we'll help you speak naturally and feel more confident.
And also how to start conversations without feeling awkward.
Because making friends starts with simple words.
Not perfect words.
And before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone learning English.
Yes, maybe your future friend is learning English too.
So Sam, imagine this.
Okay.
You just moved to a new city.
New home, new life.
And no friends yet.
That's the hardest part.
What's the first feeling?
Honestly, a little lonely.
Yes, that quiet feeling.
When you want to talk to someone, but you don't know who.
So let's start with the first step.
Going outside?
Yes, you can't make friends at home all the time.
Unless you talk to your mirror.
Sam.
Okay, bad joke.
So you go to a cafe.
Or a park.
Or maybe a class.
A place where people are.
Now, here comes the difficult part.
Starting a conversation.
Many people feel nervous.
They think, what should I say?
What if they ignore me?
What if I sound strange?
But here's the truth.
What?
Most people are also open to meeting new people.
That's true.
So let's learn a simple way to start.
Okay.
Imagine you're at a cafe.
Sitting alone.
And someone is sitting near you. You can say, "Hi, is this seat taken?"
Simple and natural.
Then, "I'm new here."
That's a great line.
Yes, it opens the conversation.
Because people understand that feeling.
Exactly. Then you can say, "Do you come here often?"
Classic question.
But it works.
Emma, what if someone feels too shy to start?
That's okay.
Really?
Yes, start small. Even saying hi is enough.
A smile is also powerful.
Now, let's talk about another situation.
Okay.
You join a class.
Like a language class or gym.
Yes, you can say, "Hi, I'm new here. What's your name?"
Very simple.
And very friendly.
Then ask, how long have you been coming here?
That keeps the conversation going. And always listen.
Listening is very important.
People like good listeners.
Yes, not just good speakers. Emma, let me share something.
Go ahead.
When I moved to a new city, I didn't talk to anyone for days.
Why?
I was waiting for someone to talk to me,
That's common.
but no one came.
So what changed?
One day, I just said hi to someone in the park.
And?
That simple hi turned into a conversation.
That's beautiful.
And now he's one of my closest friends.
That shows something important.
What?
Small steps create big changes.
Emma, what about fear of rejection?
Very important topic.
People think, what if they don't respond?
That can happen, but it's okay.
Not everyone will connect with you.
And that's normal.
You just try again.
Exactly. Let's learn a useful sentence.
Okay,
I just moved here. I'm trying to meet new people.
that's honest.
And very natural.
People respect honesty.
Always. Now, let's talk about keeping the conversation going.
That's the tricky part.
Ask simple questions.
Like, what do you do?
What do you like to do in your free time?
Do you have any hobbies?
These questions help you connect.
Yes, they build friendship.
And don't forget to share about yourself.
Not too much, but enough.
Conversation is like a game.
Give and take.
Now, slowly, you feel more comfortable.
That same feeling again.
Yes, small confidence.
And suddenly, the city doesn't feel so lonely.
Because now you know someone.
Even one friend makes a big difference.
A huge difference.
Emma, this topic feels very real.
Yes, because everyone experiences it.
And everyone needs connection.
That's true. And that's where your journey of making friends really begins.
Yeah, and once you know even one person,
everything starts to feel a little different,
The city feels less strange
less cold.
and a little more like home.
And that's the power of connection.
Yes, even one simple friendship can change your whole experience.
Emma, I remember after meeting that first friend,
Yeah?
I started noticing things differently.
Like what?
Places didn't feel empty anymore.
That's true.
Even going to the same park felt better.
Because now you had someone to share it with.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about the next step.
Building the friendship.
Starting a conversation is one thing.
But continuing it is another.
So what can you say after the first meeting?
Good question.
You can say, "It was nice talking to you."
Simple, but meaningful.
Then, "Maybe we can meet again."
That's friendly.
Or even, "Do you want to grab coffee sometime?"
Very natural.
Emma, what if someone feels shy to ask that?
Yes, many people feel that.
Then keep it soft. "I usually come here in the evening."
That's smart. It gives the other person a chance.
Emma, let's talk about something important.
Go ahead.
Not every conversation becomes a friendship.
That's true.
Sometimes it just stays a small conversation.
And that's okay.
Because every conversation builds confidence.
Yes, every step matters.
Now, let's imagine another situation.
Okay.
You meet someone again.
The second meeting.
You can say, "Hey, nice to see you again."
That feels warm.
Then, "How have you been?"
Simple and friendly.
These small lines build connection.
Yes, slowly but strongly.
Now, let's talk about deeper conversation.
The next level.
You can ask, "What do you like to do on weekends?"
Or, what do you enjoy in this city?
These questions help you understand the person.
And maybe find something in common.
Yes, that's how friendships grow.
Emma, I think common interests are important,
Very important.
like food
Or movies.
or sports.
When you find something in common
The conversation becomes easier
and more natural.
and more fun.
Sam, I made a mistake.
That's okay.
See, mistakes happen, even in conversation.
And we just continue.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about confidence again.
Always important.
Confidence is not loud.
It's calm.
It's simple.
It's real.
You don't need big words.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need to express yourself.
Clearly and honestly.
Emma, what about people who feel lonely for a long time?
That's a deep feeling.
Yes, and it takes time.
But it changes.
One conversation.
One smile.
One moment.
That's how it begins.
Now let's talk about social places.
Good idea.
Where can you meet new people?
Cafes,
Parks.
classes,
Events.
anywhere people are.
Yes. And remember,
You are not alone,
many people are also looking for friends.
just like you.
Now, slowly, you build a small circle,
One friend, then another.
and the city starts to feel like home.
That's the best feeling.
Sam, one more thing.
Go ahead.
Your English does not need to be perfect to make friends.
That's very important.
People connect with your energy.
Not just your words.
Smile.
Be kind.
Be open.
That's enough.
Now, before we finish,
Let's remind our listeners.
start small.
Say hello.
Ask simple questions.
Don't be afraid.
Accept rejection.
And keep going.
Build slowly.
And be patient.
And most importantly,
Be yourself.
if you enjoyed this episode,
Don't forget to like and subscribe,
and share it with someone who feels lonely in a new city.
because one share can help someone feel better.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.